Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show to you a tutorial on how you can create a Google Meet invite. So let's say that you want to have a meeting in Google Meet and you want to invite the other person to attend the meeting. I'm going to show you how. So you can just open the Google Meet apps on your phone or on your device. Okay, so just wait. So in here you can click on the new meeting, and then here you just need to click on the get a meeting link to share. So the first option, oops, just click on that, and then here is the link that you can share. You can just copy the link, or you can also share invite. Click on the share invite and then share it with your colleagues to attend the meeting. You can share it on WhatsApp or on Instagram, on Twitter, or on email, or on the other apps that you want to share to the audience. Okay, so that is how you can create a Google Meet invite. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.